Thank you very much for joining us today. And at Canon, we believe everyone has a story worth telling. And whether you're just starting out or already inspiring thousands of people, but Canon is built for any creator of any kind and at any level. So today's event is all about our content creators ecosystem through inspiring talks and hands-on with our new products, collaboration with the creators, and community activities. And it also marks with our official launch of Canon Creator Camp and Canon Campus Tour, which both is our commitment to discovering and supporting new generations of Filipino creators. So throughout today's event, please don't miss out EOS and Parashop V-Series, especially our newly launched EOS R6 V, which has outstanding imaging quality as well as versatile video features. And it brings all your creative works to life. So throughout the session, please connect with our fellow creators and discover new possibility with Canon. Once again, thank you very much for joining, and please enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you so much. A warm round of applause for Vaida-san. Thank you so much.
Again, I am Cyrus Edward Santa, Senior Product Marketing Specialist for Canon Printers. And to start off, we just see a lot of famous people here, influencers, content creators, and directors. So can we just give a round of applause to everyone and acknowledge the presence? Yeah, so earlier it was unveiled to R60, but this time we're going to talk about Canon Printers. So can I just see all hands? Who among our attendees here use Canon printer? Anyone? At least 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, marami. So specifically Canon printer. Anyone using Canon printers? Ayan, mas marami totoo yan ha. I'm so happy that may mga magamit pa rin ng printers despite the digital age. But sige, let's move on with Canon printers. So, Canon has 2 types of printers. First in line is the cartridge. So in total, we have 16 models. And we have single function, meaning you can only print. We have also multifunction. We can scan, print, and multifunction print with fax and 3-in-1. So it depends on what we want to use. And kung makikita nyo rin dito, may mga models na may Wi-Fi logo. It means this printer even use it wireless. Yeah, so 16 models. And aside from the cartridge, we have Megatank lineup, also known as CISS, or Continuous Ink Support System. So what's the difference between the cartridge and Megatank? Sobrang literal. When we say cartridge, yung ink nasa lalagyan siya cartridge. And for Megatank, meron siya functionality for continuous and seamless printing. So at this left side, we have our G10 series, ito yung entry-level printers that we offer, affordable versus the competitors. So, kahit ano siya, affordable, if you compare the printing quality with other competitors, it's the best quality. And if you want to experience our new products, we have our G30 series. Yan, meron kaming purple and green, so if you want something new, you can check it in our Shopee. And yung mga nasa right side naman, from the G80 series, G70 and Maxify. Either yung mga for businesses for heavy printing volume. And lahat sila dyan, may Wi-Fi logos, meaning you can use it wirelessly. So a total of 22 Megatank plus 16 cartridge, we have 38 printers. So ang dami mga printer ni Canon that you can choose based on what your needs. Next slide. So let's talk more about the difference of cartridge and Megatank. Next slide. Yeah, so you can take a photo of this. This is going to be a guide for you before choosing or purchasing your printer. At the left side, If you are the type of user na hindi masyado nag-print, okay ba? You can opt to have the pakibalik ba? Yeah, you can choose our empty cartridge or our A-series. Hindi kayo masyado malapit. Let's say, for example, you only print 1 or twice a week. It's ideal for you to take this lineup. Hybrid and pigment. So what's the difference in these three? Next slide. Let's start with the dye. So we have a sample here. When you say dye ink, ano siya? Mas vivid yung output kapag nag-print. Kasi mga photographers, mas idea na yung ginagamit ng dye ink. Kasi mas nag-pop yung color. So ito, nag-test kami last Tuesday. Medyo inabot pa namin sa tubig. Using the photo paper, hindi siya agad-agad basta-basta nabubura. So ito siya. And aside from the dye, ito yung ginagamit ng paper. So photo paper siya, hindi siya agad-agad basta nabubura. And for the pigment ink naman, ito yung may mga small particles na nag-penetrate talaga sa paper, kaya hindi siya basta-basta nabubura. So if you are that type of a user na nag-print ng mga important documents, you definitely need to have yung pigment ink. Ayan. So ito yung sample, inabot namin siya sa tubig, hindi siya agad nabura. And dito sa kapila naman, ito yung isa, medyo nabura siya, hindi namin namin spread yung dye ink naman. Ayan. And yung hybrid, basically it's a both mix of dye and pigment. Next slide. So most of Canon printers use hybrid, but we also have specific units na gumagamit ng dye, which is the PIX 157, G570 and G670, and specialized po siya for photo printing. And for having printing naman, we have all kinds of printers na gumagamit ng pigment. And the rest of the PIX hybrid. Next slide. So as a content creator, what printer is best for you if you want to print stickers or photos? Then you should go for the Pixma G570. And if you're a type of content creator who would prefer to print a lot of things, as for example your storyboards, your mood boards, your calendar, and a lot of things that you want to do, then you should definitely invest to a Maxify printer. There. So just to reiterate, Maxify GPX 4070. It's for next, please click. Heavy duty, so madalas kayo mag-print for heavy volume. Next. If you want a versatile laptop 500 USM, meaning you can print to mas makapal the paper. And convenient since
First experience designed for creatives and content creators to explore the Canon Users ecosystem through hands-on workshops and interactive activities. So, at the Canon Creator Camp, participants can connect and network with fellow creators while learning from industry professionals. So, of course, our goal is to equip every participant with knowledge and skills to create high-quality content. Through hands-on workshop, they will learn creative direction, camera settings, techniques, editing, of course, content creation workflow. So recently we had our first creator camp in Car Pataxi. So I'd like to show you some glimpse of what you can expect at the Canon Creator Camp. Please watch the video.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl Pataxi, a photographer and content creator. Welcome to the Canon Creator Camp, a one-day experience designed for content creators to explore the Canon series networks. We're here in Cebu for the first time of the Canon Creators Camp. introduction to the Creator Challenge by creating your Photoshop button. Ready to level up your button? Register now with Canon's PhD at the bar. See you at Canon Creator Camp. Canon, delighting you always.
And now let me share the upcoming schedule of the Canon Creator Camp.
Ano, kahit bigyan ko discount.
So on July 31, we'll be at the College of St. Benil. In August, we'll be bringing the Creator Camp to Cavite and Manila. Then in September, we'll head to Davao and Baguio City. So to register, simply download the Canon Delightful app and stay updated on our social media pages. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Ciel. First back, entitled Canon Academy 2026, Capture, Print, and Inspire. So just to give you a refresher on the campus tour last year, we tapped 12 schools with 10,000 student attendees and had fun activities like creative printing demonstrations, printer and camera touch and try, exciting games with exclusive freebies from Canon. So for this year, we plan to tap more, around 22 schools nationwide with 20,000 target student attendees. So we want to maximize the brand's awareness, engaging activities, giving our students a different perspective on our Megatank printers that it's more than just document and wireless printing. So we already started our campus tour last July 8 and 9 at FU. Here's a quick video recap.
What's up, I'm Sam Morales. We are here at FU Canon Academy 2026. Visit their booth and enjoy their activities. Capture, print, and inspire. Tara na!
Which was my favorite. Actually, kasi ang dami. Meron yung laro, meron yung sticker, meron yung document. To be honest, document na pinagda namin dito. Pero when I went, ang dami. I like Canon so much na hindi ako makapilit. I love everything about it.
Activity po niya sa app. Madali lang po siyang i-connect and mag-print po ng mabilis. Very happy po ito and very excited talaga yung outcome of it.
Canon, delighting